Ooh, she's thick! The Gigabyte AERO 17 HDR YD, that is. Let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Unbox This. Today we're looking at the Gigabyte AERO 17 HDR YD. The AERO 17 HDR YD is a high-power, high-functionality laptop with a little bit extra. I'll explain what I mean by that later, but for now, let's go over some key features. It has an 11th gen Intel Core i9-11980HK processor. It comes with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 laptop graphics card, which will dramatically improve gameplay across the board. And you'll get a large display with the 17.3-inch thin bezel UHD 4K screen. Enough on that though, let's see what this baby looks like. Let's unbox this. All right, let's open it up. Okay, let's first take out some of these cords here. Set that aside. All right, there she is, and she's fine. We've got the quick start guide right here. That's important, so I'll set it aside, and I'm just gonna clear things off. All right, so now that I've pulled it out of the box, I noticed that it looks really sleek. The black color is really nice. Now this laptop is ideal for gamers and creators who want something portable without needing a whole entire rig. It has Dynamic Boost 2.0, which automatically adjusts the necessary power to give all of your programs the smooth functionality you want. So if you're running creative software, or maybe you're playing Warzone, you'll get high, consistent power across the board. There is also a resizable bar that enables the entire GPU frame to buffer at once, so your games can see performance boosts of up to 15%. Now, if you've been stuck with the same boring old PC for a while, the AERO 17 HDR will be a refreshing change of pace for you. A breath of fresh air, if you will. Oops. It comes complete with Wi-Fi 6 and PCIe Gen 4 storage, meaning it supports a Gen 4 SSD slot with read speed up to 7,000 megabytes. It also has Thunderbolt 4 for data transfer and display, so if you're moving around large files or working with a high-end monitor, you'll be able to do that with ease. A crisp, clear display is essential for gamers and creators, and the external display capabilities, well, she can handle up to 8K at 120 Hz. Good job. Good job. For all of you shortcut shorties out there, she also has a perky macro function. When it comes to design, the AERO 17 HDR is sleek and slim thick. Here's what I mean. It has a precision touchpad and a movable camera for those of you who like to stream, but it's also got some heavy weight to it. It's got a body like a back road, so you can get a little aggressive with it and not worry too much. That being said, it's always smart to treat your electronics with care. She's sturdy, but she can still break, so be careful. Also, this comes with the NVIDIA DLSS update to noticeably improve gameplay. All right, you guys, if you want to purchase this laptop for yourself, click the links in the description below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content. I'm Devyn Howard, and we just unboxed this. Bye!